Let's take a look at these three examples. Right now we're supposed to go back. I mean, we have to convert the metric prefixes to the powers of 10. This is very important, especially when you are going to use the calculators, because you are going to have given values on the diagrams, and you are supposed to enter that values into the calculator. It's very important to understand what you have to do. This time we have to convert the prefix to the power of 10. So I have 120, and k represents the power of 10, 10 to the third power of f times 10 to the third ohms. And this is the solution to this problem. Let's take a look at the second example. I have 4.7, and micro represents 10 to negative 6. Okay, so I have to write times 10 to negative 6 farads. 300 millihenries. Milli represents 10 to negative 3. So I'm going to have 300 times 10 to negative 3 henries. So you will enter these values into the calculator, and you are going to perform the calculations.